Welcome back everyone. I will do my withdrawal number 18 from this slide and stable platform for trade BOUSDT.org. If you want to register or recharge, go to the mine. Go to the mine. You can see you can recharge from here. Click recharge, copy the address and go to any wallet, Trust wallet or Binance wallet and send the money to this TRC20 network. After you send the money, click this. The money will arrive directly to the platform. Like we see, minimum deposit 10 TRX or 10 USDT everyone. If you want to withdraw from here and if you want to invite your friends for commission team from here and here, you can trade from here. I am trade in 5-minute signals and 1-minute signals. Today I will trade in 1-minute signals, but I will choose today Ethereum. Like we see, I choose Ethereum and I put 1-minute signals. Like we see everyone, in this group there is signals for Ethereum trade. Like you see, every hour there is signals everyone. When we see green, you should start with this, and if you lose, put this, and if you lose, put this, and this, and this. There is no more 4 losses in this group everyone. Like we see, from 1 minute win, and I trade in it, and before that win directly. Every hour win in Ethereum trade for 1-minute signals everyone. See everyone, they put the plan and the signal. When you see green, like we see, choose this and this and this and this and this and put your number trade. Like we see, it is 1 for first. I will put 1, and if you lose, I will choose all this green and put 2, and if you lose, I will choose all green and put 4, and the profit is that and that and that for every stage. Like we see, join this group. I will put link this group in the description of the video everyone. Like we see, my trade today from this group everyone, I deposit today just 200 TRX and I win 380 TRX everyone more, and I have this number in USDT. I will go to withdraw now from here. When you want to withdraw, put your address wallet TRC20 there and the amount you will withdraw it and click withdraw. Like we see, minimum withdraw 10 TRX or 10 USDT. I will click max. Like we see, here is the number here, and there is fee 1 TRX, just 1 TRX fee, putting B to it. Like we see everyone, after I put my address wallet TRC20 and the amount, I will click withdraw now. Confirm. The withdraw successful everyone. I will go to withdraw from here and go to my withdraw record from here. Like we see, it is my withdraw number 18 from this night and stable platform for trade. See everyone, every day I deposit amount and I earn money from a trade in this group and I withdraw it again. See everyone, it is a lot of money. After I write successful there, the money will arrive in 1 minute and it will take to write successful like 2 minutes or 3 minutes, putting me everyone. Like we see, it is successful and the money will arrive in 1 second to my wallet everyone. Watch that. Like we see, the money arrived to my wallet everyone. I will go to my wallet and show you. See everyone, see the time and the amount and the time here. In 1 second will arrive to your wallet after write successful everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all new and stable platforms for trade like BOUSDT.org, and you will see link register with all description and link groups for Ethereum trade in the description video everyone. The deposit and start trade with me to earn money everyone. And if you want to ask me about any question and how to work in this trade platform, message me. I put my account telegraph in the description of the video everyone. Good luck everyone.